Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is this week's Aldi haul in addition to our meal plan for the week. Stay tuned. We had quite a haul from last time, so this haul is a bit smaller and a lot of it is some brunch food for tomorrow. Picked up some of the breakfast sausage. This is super easy to make in the microwave. Some Roma tomatoes, my favorite tomatoes, they are back. I also really love their artisan lettuce. And as usual, we have 2 containers of the chocolate chip muffins for my husband. I'll be making some ham and Swiss sliders. So I saw a recipe that would look pretty good with this. This is the Hawaiian sweet rolls. And I heard that this is really delicious. So I'm excited to try it because I am a big seafood fan. This is the Fremont Fish Market wild caught beer battered cod fillets. Was planning on having some tortilla soup, so wanted to buy some corn chips to go on top of that. And then I bought 2 containers of the unsweetened tea. For brunch, we will be having 2 pies. I got the last apple pie that they had, and then I also got one of their gourmet pies. This one is the lemon meringue. Bought a couple dozen eggs back there, 2 containers of the broccoli crowns, and I could not resist. My mom will be coming tomorrow, and I thought I'd give her some flowers. I think these are only like $3.99 or something. And I picked out purple because that's my daughter's favorite, so I thought she'd like to give her purple. Bought some mandarin oranges. These have been pretty good. Some cream cheese spread. And some honey ham to go into those sliders. A big thing of salmon. I love getting salmon there. It's so much less expensive. And then also a brown sugar ham. We'll also be having some scalloped potatoes. Some strawberries. These were really delicious last time and they're still really huge. Some bananas. Some chicken legs, and some jasmine rice. This is a new try for me. This is the marbled cinnamon breakfast bread. I think they have other versions as well. This just looked delicious, and really I can smell it from here. It is super fragrant, and oh my gosh, that'll be so nice to have with coffee or tea in the morning. Sorry guys, the receipt got a little bit smudged in the packing process. So not too bad. And that is a, I think it's a 5-pound ham, if you needed to know. Okay, so the meal plan for this week, tomorrow will be the Sunday brunch. So we'll have the baked salmon, the brown sugar ham, the baked ham and Swiss sliders with the Hawaiian rolls, some scalloped potatoes, pasta salad with some suddenly salad pasta I bought from the Dollar Tree, and some steamed broccoli. That is quite a bit of food, so we'll probably end up with leftovers for Monday. And then Tuesday, I have some chicken that I had boiled a few days ago that's waiting for me in the freezer, and I'll be using that to make some tortilla soup topped with the corn chips. Really nice to have that crunch in there. Wednesday will be the beer battered fish and roasted potatoes. Thursday is barbecued chicken legs with rice, and we'll also have the artisan lettuce with some cranberries. Friday will be pizza, and Saturday will be chicken sandwiches made with the red bag chicken and some salad. If you liked this video and all things Aldi, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.